Pride si Alden Richards sa pelikulang Out of Order na di lang niya pinagbidahan, producer at director din siya. At exclusive rito sa 24 Oras ay mapapanood na natin ang trailer niyan for the first time. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Feeling refreshed and extra motivated si Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards sa kanyang pagbabalik trabaho matapos ang kanyang one-week trip sa Italy. Malapit na kasing ipalabas sa streaming platform na Netflix ang kanyang pelikulang Out of Order. Hindi lang bida rito si Alden, siya rin ang producer. At dito siya magde-debut as a film director.
Actually, this is my first project na I actually wore three hats. It's not easy, but fulfilling in so many ways. I mean, yung pagod kasi mararamdaman natin yan physically, mentally, and in all aspects of our being. But you always go back to your question, why are you doing this? Why did you start doing this? It's because I wanted to give back. Andun pa rin naman ako palagi. Always give back to the industry. I want people to see that this is all the things that I've learned in my 15 years here in the business.
At ngayong gabi, eksklusibo dito sa 24 Oras ang unang pasilip sa official trailer ng pelikula.
Why are you calling Nirman?
I need a lawyer I can trust.
You were arrested for murdering a trans woman. Did you do it?
Pre, siguro dahil mo nang napanalo ang kaso, no? Siguro pag dumadating ka, nangangatong-ngatong pa yung mga prosecutor.
Attorney Jennifer Tamplo, most respectfully appearing for the state.
How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
A person is innocent until proven guilty beyond all reasonable doubt. Kaya yun ang trabaho natin. Ang maipakitang may reasonable doubt. Kapatay mo rin ba kami?
Lumahok na rin sa iba't ibang film festivals abroad ang movie, gaya sa Danang Asian Film Festival sa Vietnam at Jagran Film Festival sa India. And finally, after 2 years, ay mapapanood na ito sa Pilipinas sa October 2. How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Napapanahon ang tema ng pelikula, lalo ngayon na ang mga Pilipino ay ipinaglalaban ang paghahanap ng katotohanan at hustisya.
Kaya yun ang trabaho natin. Ang maipakitang may reasonable doubt.
It's a courtroom drama concept. It's about justice, about always seeking the truth.